We are finally doing my new closets. We've already cleaned stuff out. This is all bathing suits. Chris is in here. He's taking the stuff out of the walls. We're gonna have to like re-putty the walls and stuff and then paint before we put the new closet in, but this is what it looks like so far. He's ripping this board out and we'll have to like putty this stuff to fix it. So all my stuff is currently like in trays like this. And this whole bed is filled with those trays, and then the hanging stuff is on top of the trays. So I need to go through all of my stuff and probably get rid of a lot of stuff. Because a lot of that stuff like really doesn't even like, I either don't wear it or it doesn't fit me anymore. So I feel like what's the point in having it if I'm not gonna wear it? And a lot of it is like really nice stuff, but I just don't wear it. Like I don't really get dressed up. Like I don't really like go out or anything to wear my stuff. All of these are bathing suits. Like I have so many bathing suits. So we just finished breakfast. Chris is gonna finish that stuff in there, and then we're gonna go and get the putty stuff to fix the walls, and then after that dries we're gonna paint the walls, and while the paint's drying we're gonna assemble the closet fixtures. If we each assemble them at the same time we should be able to get it done in like an hour, and then maybe tomorrow we'll install them. So I don't think that my closet will take quite as long as Chris's closet took. Like Chris's closet took 3 days. I think mine will only take 2 days. Then again, my closet is smaller. Yeah, so that's it. How do I start this thing? So now I've got everything wiped down. Hopefully Chris will be back from the store soon and I can start painting. Well, oh no, I have to patch the holes first and then we can start painting. So I'm gonna get out of this room for now. It looks good.
Yeah, it's not gonna be perfect. But I figured once you put paint on it, you can sand it a little bit.
Yeah.
Once you put paint on it, then there's gonna be stuff.
Okay, I've got this green color that is on the outside of the house. I'm gonna put it on the very ends of the closet, and I'm also gonna try to save some of it for my garden that I want to build. So I need to make sure it's shaken up. I guess in a minute I'll start at the bottom of this.
Put it like in this corner over here, I guess. Alright, I will
Okay,
out of the way.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna use this color gray that matches the walls in here. Whew. It's like I think almost 6 o'clock. We've been working on the closet all day. Yeah, it's 5:55, so almost 6 o'clock. But I did take a 3-hour nap because I got exhausted from painting with that paintbrush so much. I was worn out. My neck and shoulders and everything hurt so bad, so I took a nap. Let's go in here. I just did the final coating. I got a Hershey's Kiss, but there's 2 layers of each color. You can't really see the green too well because it's not lit up in here really. We have to install a light. So there's gonna be multiple of these that go in. Here's another one over here. It'll look somewhat like this when it goes in. And I've got baskets and hangers and all sorts of stuff also. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna close this off for tonight. Tomorrow we will assemble everything and get it put in. Chris is washing up the paintbrushes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm so excited for it to get done and see what it looks like. I bet it's gonna be so pretty against those colors.
It'll look good with the white.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like see-through, so you'll see like
The gray through it, yeah. We are currently assembling my new closet piece. Chris is working on a drawer, and then we gotta put the thing for this basket once the drawer is done. Alright, we're moving them in. We already have one in here. He's bringing the second one in now. I don't know if we should put them side by side or put like a gap.
Yeah, you're gonna have to decide how you want to arrange them.
Maybe slide it that way some so we can have like a gap.
I mean, I don't know what you're gonna do with the gap.
Yeah, it's kind of a small gap.
Small,
yeah. I don't know.
I'm just trying to throw out different ideas.
No, they'll both go in there. I'll figure it out. I got time. I can think about it. Alright, so the only other thing we have to do is put these, but they'll probably have to be cut some. So I guess we could go ahead and put the racks in. Okay, today I am getting my garden. I've been wanting a garden, and I finally have drawn up plans for a garden. Chris finished my closet. Let's look at that. I haven't put any of the clothes away. I've got so many clothes. Like, oh, look at this. This is horrible. Look at all these clothes that came out of this closet. So here's my new closet. I've got 2 racks over here, and then a rack over here. So nice. But I gotta put all this stuff away, and most of it probably doesn't even fit me. I need to get rid of it. Where the heck do you get rid of like clothes that are in like excellent condition but you don't wear? Like especially like designer stuff.